Howdy ho, people. I need your help. I have a mystery pot. I was going through some stuff earlier and looking through anything I need to throw away and come across this thing. My neighbors got this at a garage sale or a yard sale a couple of years ago. It cost a grand total of 50 cents. But I have no idea what the hell it's used for. Holes in the lid. It's enameled. It measures what? About 11 3/4 inches across. It says holes in the lid. It is enameled. But the edge has holes in it too. Is it a steamer for something? And it's only 2.5 inches deep. I have no idea what the hell it's used for. If anybody knows what the hell this is for, please let me know. If not, I don't know. I think I might just turf it in the scrap metal bin. I don't know. But I have no clue. So, someone knows, give a bastard some help. And that's all I have today. I don't even have a beer. There's a warm beer here. Nope. I need to know. Alright, RTFO, mofos.